Hello guys, today I'm playing chicken gun and I want a span observer that observes my footsteps. But that looks so strange. Okay, and okay, let's just go to the what's on base 014, and we have to be here. And okay. And what we have to do, we have to put okay, put this and put here. Yes, it will be so scary at my time. Okay, put here and put here. So I'm just okay. And then putting here, and okay. Let me put here. Okay, now let's put something very important. This. I don't know what it was. Also, yes, okay. And now let's now put ego. Let's put ego and okay, and shoot at him. Let him just fall down 2 times, and remove this because it's be nice. And now let's wait. See more times to see how it will spawn, and just let's see. And wait, what's that thing just come out? It was just white, and it was located here, but he's not still here. It seems that will look so bad. Okay. What is this thing? It's second time come out of this house, and it's still moved. Seems that maybe it's just a joke, or maybe it's specially just spawned. Wait. Oh yeah. It's disappeared. Seems that he just disappearing out times. Ego. Okay. Also I don't really know why just spawning. Oh yeah. I have seen this. I have seen it fully. That's so strange, sassy. I have not to get this. Wait, what's up? Okay. And okay. What is this here? Oh no.